And dito ang chicken. So, maganda guys. So, yan. Very hot. So, yan. I-remove na natin ang ating chicken. Gamit natin yung ganitong machine guys. So, tingnan nyo guys. Yung machine na ganito. So, yan. Yan. Slowly remove. And look at the chicken inside. So, yan. Then, guys, I am Pierre Bulinggo Vlogs. Today guys is magluto ako ng chicken guys with gamit ko itong machine na to. So ito guys ang ngayon. Yan ang gagamitin ko para magluto ako ng chicken. Yan, nasa loob na yung lagay natin sa loob yung chicken guys. So, yan ang ating maundy chicken. First put salt. Yan, salt. Oil. Maggi powder. Maggi powder. Tomato paste. 1½ spoon. Cumin powder. And black pepper. And mix. Mix by using your hand. Chicken. Guys, we must keep half hour guys. Okay? So we have chopped onion. Chopped onion. Chopped onion. This one. Like this plate. So this is whole coriander. This is cloves. And this is cardamom, and this is fennel, and this is cinnamon stick. Okay guys, so let's start the cooking. And we have brush tomato. Yan guys, and we have to put the tomato. So next, the ingredients. And put salt. A maundy machine guys, and we have to put on rice and chicken here. This is now starting the machine, and we have now to put the rice inside the stand. Okay guys, so and guys, to put now inside the machine. Slowly put the machine. And guys, so and that's it. And this chicken put in the machine. Why wrong like this? Yeah. And put cover. Guys, the the water of the chicken is pulled down to into the rice, guys. So, tingnan nyo, guys. So,
One time.
nice.
Finish.
Temperature, guys, is 1.5 hour. Okay, guys. So, just cook and waiting.
Right, nice.
One and a half hour ang ganin mo. By the ating niluluto today, guys, this is 1.5 hours. So, tingnan nyo, guys, ang nasa loob. Yan ang sa baba, guys, is rice. And dito ang chicken. So, maganda, guys. So, yan. Very hot. So, yan. I-remove na natin ang ating chicken. Gamit natin yung ganitong machine, guys. So, tingnan nyo, guys, yung machine na ganito. So, yan. Yan. Slowly remove and look at the chicken inside. So, yan. Then, dalhin natin doon. So, this is now, guys. So, yan, guys. Character, guys. Wow. So yummy. Yan. 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 Forget to make picture. The chicken there. I don't see make picture like this inside. So yan. Okay. So I bring now plate. Serving, guys. So this one remove first all the
Spices.
spicy. Thank you for watching and bye-bye.